Hey there, fellow business owner. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to streamline your operations and make things easier for your clients. That's why I'm excited to talk about how to accept deposits on Setmore. If you're not familiar with Setmore, it's a powerful online scheduling and payment platform that can help you manage your appointments and get paid more efficiently. One of the great things about Setmore is that it allows you to collect deposits from your clients upfront, which can be a great way to ensure that you get paid for your services, even if the client cancels at the last minute. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up deposits on Setmore and how to collect them from your clients. I'll also provide some tips on how to use deposits to improve your cash flow and reduce your risk. So, if you're ready to learn more about how to accept deposits on Setmore, let's get started. How to accept deposits on Setmore. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Payments tab. Click on the Booking Page Payments tab. Turn on the Accept Payments on My Booking Page switch. Click on the Add Charges or Reductions button. Select Reduction for the type and enter Deposit for the name. Enter the amount of the deposit as a percentage of the total cost of the service. Click on the Save button. Now that you've set up deposits on Setmore, you can start collecting them from your clients. When a client books an appointment online, they will be asked to pay the deposit upfront. The deposit will be automatically added to your Setmore account. Tips for using deposits on Setmore. Use deposits for services that are non-refundable or have a high cancellation rate. Set the deposit amount to be a reasonable percentage of the total cost of the service. Be sure to communicate your deposit policy to your clients upfront. Consider using a payment processor that integrates with Setmore, such as Stripe or Square. Accepting deposits on Setmore is a great way to improve your cash flow and reduce your risk. By following the tips in this video, you can easily set up deposits and start collecting them from your clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.